Good morning. I am K. Yogunath, Assistant Professor, belongs to Mathematics Department, NPR College of Engineering and Technology, Nattam, Dindikkal District, Tamil Nadu. Now we are going to discuss the paper is Engineering Mathematics 2. Subject code of the paper is MA8251. This is 2017 regulation, Anna University, Chennai. This paper has 5 units. First unit is matrices. Today we are going to discuss problems based on Haley-Hamilton theorem. Using Haley-Hamilton, simplify the expressions. Start from a power 8 minus a power 7 plus 5 a power 6 minus a power 3 plus a power 4 minus a power 3 plus 6a squared plus a minus 2y. The equation is very lengthy. If A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix given, the first row is 1, 2, minus 2. Second row is 2, 5, minus 4. Third row is 3, 7, minus 5. The size of the given matrix is 3 by 3 matrices. The question start from a power 8. It's very difficult to solve this problem, but we do only simplifications of this equation using Haley-Hamiltons. How can we do simplification in this equation? I will explain with these problems. The solutions, the first line take given matrix represented by A. Next, we take definitions of characteristic equation is lambda power 3 minus s1 lambda squared plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0. So it is 3 by 3 matrix. So characteristic equation start from only lambda power 3. Now our aim, we have to find the constant s1, s2 and s3. First I like to find s1. How can we find s1? S1 is sum of main diagonal elements of the given matrices. So in this problem, main diagonal element means 1, 5, minus 5. What is it? They are main diagonal element means 1, 5, minus 5. So we do add this number. So 1 plus 5 minus 5, we get 1. So S1 value is 1. Next S2. What is S2? Sum of minor of main diagonal elements. The diagonal elements are 1, 5, minus 5. First one is 1, located in 1 by 1 cell. So our aim, we have to find the minor of 1 by 1 cell. So we should ignore first row and first column. The remainings are 5 minus 4, 7 minus 5. So we should take determinations of these 2 by 2 matrices. This is the 1 by 1 cell minor values. Next we take 5 located in 2 by 2 cell, omitted second row and second column. We take the minor of 2 by 2 cells is 1 minus 2, 3 minus 5. We take the determinations of these 2 by 2 matrices. The last one, minor of 3 by 3 cell, ignore third column and third row. Now take the determinations of 1, 2, 2, 5. Simplifications of the first determination value is minus 25 plus 28, we get 3. Determinations of the second one is minus 5 plus 6, we get plus 1. Determinations of the last one is 5 minus 4, we get 1. Finally, our S2 value is 5. S2 value is 5. Next, our aim, we can find S3. What is S3? Determinant of the given matrices. Determinations of first row 1 2 minus 2, second row 2 5 minus 4, third row is 3 7 minus 5. Expand in first row. Expand in first row. The symbol of the first row is very clear, plus, minus, plus. So first we take plus 1, we ignore first row and first column, then we take the determinations of the remaining one is 5 minus 4, 7 minus 5. Next one is minus 2, so we ignore first row and second column, the remainings are 2 minus 4, 3 minus 5. Last one is plus into minus 2, located in first row and third column, we ignore first row and third column, the determinations of remainings are 2 5 3 7. The simplifications of the above line becomes 1 minus 25 plus 28 minus 2 of minus 10 plus 12 minus 2 of 2 into 7 14 minus 15. The finally 3 minus 4 plus 2 becomes plus 1. S3 value is plus 1. S3 value is plus 1. So substitute S1, S2, S3 value in characteristic equations. We get lambda power 3 minus lambda squared plus 5 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here put lambda equal to a power 3 minus a squared plus 5a minus I is equal to 0. So this is Halley-Hamilton equations. Using this equation, we do the simplifications of given a power 8 equations. The simplification is very clear. So first we take a power 8, a minus a power 7 plus 5a power 6 minus a power 5 plus a power 4 minus a power 3 plus 6a squared plus a minus 2y. Divide by the Halley-Hamilton equation, a power 3 a squared plus 5a minus I. So first do the multiplications of a power 5 in Halley-Hamilton. We get a power 8 minus a power 7 plus 5a power 6 minus a power 5. Next I do the change the symbol. Now a power 8 cancel. A power 7 also cancel. A power 6 cancel. A power 5 also cancel. So next we take the next 4 terms, a power 4 minus a power 3 plus 6a squared plus a. Now we multiply plus a in Halley-Hamilton, we get a power 4 minus a power 3 plus 5a squared minus a. Now we change the symbol, minus plus minus plus. Here a power 4 cancel. A power 3 cancel. Here plus 6a squared minus 5a squared, we get a squared only. Plus a we get plus 2a. The remaining one term is minus 2y. So now a power 3, our Halley-Hamilton is a power 3. Now the remainder is a squared. So this is the final answer. This is the simplifications of given equation is a squared plus 2a minus 2i. So I like to explain one more problems in this model. Now I like to take 2 by 2 matrix. The size of the matrix is 2 by 2. A is equal to 1 4 2 3. Simplify the following expression and find the value of these expressions. A subdivision having 2 questions. First we have to discuss question number 1. Solutions of the given problem. first we have to find the characteristic equations of 2 by 2 matrix is lambda squared minus s1 lambda plus s2 equal to 0. Here s1 is sum of main diagonal element 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So s1 value is 4. Next we have to find the s2. What is s2? This is 2 by 2 matrix. Our s2 is determinations of the given matrices. So 1, 4, 2, 3. First determination value, first 1 into 3, 3 minus 8. So 3 minus 8 we get minus 5. So this is s2 value. So substitute s1 and s2 values in this characteristic equation, we get lambda squared minus 4 lambda minus 5 equal to 0. Here lambda is replacing by a, we get a squared minus 4a minus 5a equal to 0. So this is Cayley-Hamilton equations of this problem. First I like to solve subdivision number 1. Subdivision number 1, what is this? A power 5 minus 4a power 4 minus 7a power 3 plus 11a squared minus a minus 10i. The question is very clear. First do the simplification and also find the value also. In the previous problem simplification only, not find the value, but in this problem simplification with the value. So subdivision number 1, a power 5 minus a 4a power 4 minus 7a power 3 plus 11a square plus 7a square minus a minus 10i. Divide by the Cayley-Hamilton equation, a square minus 4a minus 5i. First we need a power 5. So multiply a power 3 in Cayley-Hamilton equation. So we get a power 5 first minus 4a power 3 minus 5a power 3. Change the symbol. Now a power 5 cancel. The a power 4 minus 4a power 4 plus 5a power 4 also cancel. Here minus 7a power 3 plus 5a power 3 we get minus 2a power 3. Now we reduce to 2 terms from the given plus 11a squared minus a. Now I do multiplication 2a in Cayley-Hamilton. We get minus 2a power 3 plus 8a squared plus 10a. Now I change the symbol plus minus minus. So 2a power 3 cancel. The simplifications of 11a squared minus 8a squared is 3a squared. Next one is minus 11a. The balance having 10i, I reduce 10i here. Now we have multiplied 3i in Cayley-Hamilton, we get minus 3a squared minus 12a minus 15i. We change the symbol plus minus plus. Now 3a squared cancel. The remaining a plus 5i. So this is the simplifications of the given equations. Now next we have to find the value. Find the value of a plus 5 only. So a is 1423. 5i means 5 into 1001. So 5 into 1001, what is meaning? We have to multiply 5 inside the bracket. We do the scalar multiplication. So 5 into 1, 5, 0, 0, 5. The answer is 6, 4, 2 and 5. So this is the first answers of the given problems. The given problem is a power 5 minus 4a power 4 minus 7a power 3 plus 11a squared minus a minus 10i. So without Cayley-Hamilton, if we do this problem, it takes more time. So within short time, how can we solve the problem? Using only Cayley-Hamilton, do the simplification, and the answer of the given problem is 6425. Subdivision number 2, you take the sum is different, a power 4 start, but Cayley-Hamilton equation same. So first what we do, multiply by a squared of the Cayley-Hamilton, we get a power 4 minus 4a power 3 minus 5a squared. Now I change the symbol. So a power 4 cancel, a power 3, 4a power 3, 4a power 3 cancel, minus 5a squared plus 5a squared cancel. What are the remaining? A plus 2i. Now Cayley-Hamilton a squared minus 4a minus 5i. Reduced to the remainder is a plus 2y. So this is the simplifications of the given problem. The value of a plus 2y is a 1423 plus 2 into 1001 plus 200. The second term RHS of the second terms becomes 2002. Additions of RHS is 3425. So this is answers of the second subdivision is 3425. Thank you. Thank you for listening.